Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix Fortnite crashing on PC in Chapter 6 Super. So I think I have 10 for you. 10 steps. First is going to be check your minimum system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the Fortnite Chapter 6 system requirements. So you can visit the official Epic website to confirm the specs, alright? And I think the specs for this one will be a minimum of 16 gigabytes of RAM and above Ryzen 3 and then AMD 1050 for your processor, right? And then update your graphics card. To update this one, just basically go to download these drivers, go to the GPU manufacturing website. Alright, don't just go ahead and update your device management. Go to the website of your designated GPU and get the latest drivers. Verify your Fortnite game files by going to Epic Games Launcher. So I'm going to show you how to do that one because right now I can't really show you Fortnite, but I'm going to show you where to check it. So for example, you have a game, right? Let's just say in my library right there. Let's go to my library. As you can see right here, it says install, right? But they're doing a maintenance as of now. So click right there, and there should be a verify option right here. Click verify and you'll be good to go. And basically disable background applications. Too many apps running in the background can consume resources. Click on Control Shift Escape, go to Task Manager, or just simply type Task Manager in here and close any unnecessary applications. Just like your phone, your PC doesn't like unwanted applications. Next, that will be adjust in-game graphics settings. It's going to be self-explanatory. So you have your game Fortnite going on. Just lower the specs for your video quality and you'll be good to go. Next one, run Fortnite as an administrator. Basically, if you have Fortnite already right there, for example, you have it, or click on Epic Game Launcher, click right-click and run as administrator. You'll be good to go. Update Windows. How can you update Windows? Basically type on your device, check for updates, click right there, and as you can see, Windows Update. I right now have a pending update. Now disable overclocking. This can be done on BIOS. So if you overclock your CPU or GPU, revert to their default settings. This can be easily done on your BIOS, just remove your overclocking. Or basically, if you have your Epic Games Launcher, reinstall and uninstall Fortnite. Easy as that. Lastly, contact Epic Games Support if it's still crashing. Submit a ticket to Epic Games Support for tailored help. However, before you contact them, I assure you, 1 out of 9 solutions here will surely work for you. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.